Okay, so to start with, let's consider how we learn. Imagine you're learning to drive and you only listen to theory and concepts of driving to pass an exam. Would you then be comfortable to jump in the car and drive on the motorway? Well, it's an extreme example around a very practical skill set, but the point is that if we consider learning as a two-sided coin, one side of the coin is the process of receiving information. And for learning to effectively occur, we need the second side of the coin, which is to do something with that information, to process it, to synthesize it, to link it to prior understanding, but essentially to form new understanding or knowledge. So through this two-step process, again, it's an oversimplification, but what I'm trying to say is that to just receive information in any form does not in itself lead to understanding or learning, because it's only one side of the coin. Therefore, the most effective approach to learning is to do something with that information being received, to apply it, to critically think and discuss, to practice or create something, and this is active learning. So how can we introduce active learning into our teaching? Well, let's consider R.A.T. The first step of R.A.T is to consider the role of the educator, transitioning from just delivering information to facilitating a learning experience. Then start small by introducing an active learning activity to experiment with and build upon over time. Examples of these activities include questions, discussions, debates, collaborative group work, anything that shifts the emphasis towards the student to do rather than to listen. Active learning activities are a gentle shift to achieve what's known as interactive lecturing or interactive tutorials. But eventually you might want to try a more impactful shift by redesigning your session around an active learning technique, such as peer instruction, team-based, problem-based, project-based, case-based, or scenario-based learning, for example. And we'll delve deeper into these and other active learning techniques in other videos. So if you'd like to create more effective learning opportunities in your teaching, consider R.A.T. to step aside and give your students more opportunity to synthesize, analyze, and apply information. You can start small with an active learning activity and build over time to introduce active learning techniques. I hope you got value from this video. Let us know in the comments below what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of our content.